Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Mac running recent Keynote and a second screen. Plug the external display in and set Mac OS to extended desktop so screens are separate. Then open your presentation and choose Play, either rehearse slideshow for practice or play slideshow to present. Once done, Keynote will detect the second display and show full slides on the audience screen. Make sure to choose the display layout in Keynote's Play menu so you control where presenter view appears. Next, configure presenter view so it fits your workflow. Open Play and choose Customize Presenter Display. This controls which panels appear. Turn on Notes and Timer if you need prompts and pacing, or hide Next Slide if you prefer fewer cues. Drag the panes to resize the notes area larger for detailed prompts, and place the current slide preview where it's easiest to glance at. You can also enable the pointer and laser tools for emphasis. These choices reduce cognitive load and keep your focus on delivery. Now start the show. Choose Play Slideshow, and Keynote will put presenter view on your laptop while the audience sees the slides. Use arrow keys or a remote to move between slides, and glance at notes and the timer to manage pace. If you need to adjust mid-presentation, swap displays in the Play menu or drag the presenter window to your preferred screen. If something goes wrong, no presenter view or mirrored screens, check arrangement, reconnect the cable, or quit and reopen Keynote. That usually restores proper behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.